Creating compelling listings for a vast inventory can be a time-consuming task for dealerships. In this demonstration, we show how an agent, built using Drive AI actions, automates the creation of high-quality, personalized sales descriptions directly from existing database records. When a user requests a sales description, the agent initiates a flow by prompting for a specific device ID. Once provided, the flow retrieves the comprehensive device master record, including critical specifications such as brand, class, model, and mileage. Leveraging integrated AI, the agent then processes this technical data to generate a professional sales description that highlights the vehicle's purpose, pricing, and key benefits in a cohesive paragraph. By transforming raw specifications into persuasive marketing copy, this capability enables automotive and fleet organizations to list vehicles faster and with greater consistency. It is a powerful example of how agents built with Drive AI actions can turn database records into valuable sales assets.